Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath here is a 3-liter V6 with 228 horsepower and 221 pounds torque. This one has the luxury package with a luxury exterior and interior look. 17-inch wheels. The tires are in good condition. Black MB Tex interior with a burl walnut trim. Sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. With the tailgate, we've got a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, Premium 1 package, memory seats, power windows, Harman Kardon sound system, steering wheel controls, media display, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, our turn wheel for infotainment center. This C-Class has 108,714 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.